met a mansplainer. I met a mansplainer who was trying so hard to fight his urge to mansplain me. I don't even remember what this man looks like, okay? This was one of dozens of conversations I've had with complete strangers over the last month. He got offended. He got offended because I said aliens are real. I was talking about how a planet was just discovered and confirmed that there is water and marine life on this planet. It's emitting a gas that plankton emit. Therefore, a planet with life on it has been discovered, but it's like mostly water. And so I did my context clues. Oh, well, the government just revealed that USOs exist in the ocean. This guy looked at me like I was crazy because he had never heard the term USO. It's called an unidentified submerged object, just like a UFO is an unidentified flying object. I said, well, maybe there's a colonization of aliens in the ocean, and every time we see a UFO in the sky, it's actually coming from the ocean, and they're flying from Earth to that planet 124 light years away where life was just discovered. And this guy looked at me and he was trying to fight the mansplaining, and so he asked me what every mansplainer asks. Well, they don't all ask this. They just have that tone in their voice. He looked at me and said, do you actually believe this? Like, do you believe that aliens are living in the ocean and aliens are living on the planet and that aliens are flying from Earth to 124 light years away at an impossible speed? And I said, no! I know the difference between my ideas from facts. I'm not one of those flat earther types who turn my opinions into facts. I know the difference. The only facts there are that USOs were identified in the ocean. UFOs and USOs defy laws of physics. It's a fact. It's a fact. If you don't believe me, look it up. And it is a fact that a planet with marine life was discovered. And so I'm using context clues per all of the press conferences our fucking government has had over the last 2 years related to UAPs, UFOs, and USOs. It's not my fault that you don't understand what USOs are when they are in fact real. And then all those drones, unidentified flying objects, were on the Jersey coast. I'm like, yeah, well, that was months before a press release. There was a press conference released about USOs being on the coast. So maybe the government was exploring the ocean and it startled the USOs. They shot up in the air to avoid being attacked by humans, which would be aliens to the aliens. We are aliens! If you guys don't understand this, that's not my problem, but it is a fact. There are USOs, UAPs, UFOs, and a planet with life on it that was just discovered 124 light years away. Bye!